Sea Breacher Z Model. The Sea Breacher Z Model is a groundbreaking watercraft that delivers an unmatched aquatic experience. Outfitted with a fully retractable snorkel, it allows pilots and passengers to execute high-speed 360 degrees barrel rolls right on the water surface. This two-seater vessel comes equipped with a supercharged Rotax 230 horsepower engine, ensuring remarkable performance. Its dimensions range between 192 and 200 inches in length, with a width of 42 inches, a wingspan of 78 inches, and a height of 45 inches when the snorkel is lowered. Weighing around 1,450 pounds, it includes a fuel capacity of 14 gallons. The Z model is available in 3 eye-catching body styles: shark, killer whale, or dolphin, each offering a distinctive visual appeal. Standard features include a bubble-top panoramic canopy with impact-resistant glass, high-performance wings and elevators, a marine-grade Bluetooth stereo system, and a fully customized upholstered interior. The Sea Breacher Z model stands as a testament to cutting-edge marine engineering, delivering both exhilarating performance and customizable luxury. Man of 5 Hydrofoil SL3. The Man of 5 Hydrofoil SL3 is an innovative water bike that merges cycling with hydrofoil technology, offering a one-of-a-kind aquatic experience. Its composite monocoque chassis provides both durability and buoyancy, ensuring the bike remains upright when stationary. Designed for convenience, the SL3 features a modular structure, breaking down into 5 parts for easy transport, with the heaviest module weighing just 13.9 kilograms, 30 pounds. Riders can achieve a top speed of 20 kilometers per hour, 12 miles per hour, while maintaining a comfortable cruising speed of 11 kilometers per hour, 7 miles per hour. The bike is equipped with 10 levels of electric assist, along with a throttle-only mode for effortless launching and riding. It offers 2 battery options, the HydroPack 600WH and the HydroPack 1000WH, delivering ride times of up to 4.5 hours, with charging durations ranging from 3 to 5 hours. For enhanced performance and handling, the SL3 Pro model includes a lightweight H2C carbon rear foil. Overall, the Hydrofoil SL3 U-Boat works Nemo. The Nemo series delivers an extraordinary personal submersible experience, merging advanced engineering with an intuitive, user-friendly design. The Nemo One is a single-occupant model, measuring 255 centimeters in length, 222 centimeters in width, and 144 centimeters in height, with a total weight of 2,000 kilograms. It is capable of diving to depths of 100 meters and operating for up to 8 hours, reaching an underwater speed of 3 knots. The Nemo 2, designed for both a pilot and a passenger, measures 280 centimeters in length, 231 centimeters in width, and 155 centimeters in height, weighing 2,500 kilograms. It shares the same depth capability and operational duration as the Nemo 1. Both models are equipped with a fully transparent acrylic pressure foil 1 Pegasus. The Pegasus is a single-passenger electric hydrofoil boat that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with sophisticated design. Built entirely from carbon fiber, it delivers remarkable strength while remaining incredibly lightweight. Powered by an 18.8 kilowatts electric motor, the Pegasus can achieve a top speed of 30 knots, 34.5 miles per hour, and maintains a comfortable cruising speed between 18 and 22 knots. Its propulsion system is supported by 2 swappable 5 kilowatt-hours, 48-volt Torqeedo battery packs, offering over 2 hours of continuous operation. With a fast charger, it can be fully recharged in less than 2 hours. The boat's design takes inspiration from the sleek aerodynamics of 1950s Formula One cars and the efficient contours of World War I aircraft, resulting in a perfect balance of historical elegance and modern boldness. Its intuitive steering system mirrors the dynamics of motorcycle handling, making it as effortless to control as riding a bike. Weighing 200 kilograms, 441 pounds, including the batteries, the Pegasus remains both lightweight and highly durable. Thanks to its hydrofoil technology, the boat lifts above the water's surface, significantly reducing drag and boosting efficiency, delivering a ride that is Jet Surf Titanium DFI SKI. The Surf Titanium DFI ski is an innovative watercraft that transforms personal water mobility. Weighing just 24.9 kilograms, 54.8 pounds, it holds the title of the world's lightest jet ski, providing unmatched portability without sacrificing performance. Thanks to its compact build, it conveniently fits into most car trunks, removing the need for trailers and making spontaneous water adventures easier than ever. Powered by a 100 cubic centimeters two-stroke DFI engine combined with a titanium exhaust, this machine boasts remarkable power, achieving top speeds of up to 62 kilometers per hour, 39 miles per hour. The Jet Surf ski is designed with an intuitive control handle for effortless acceleration and smooth maneuvering, an adjustable handlebar length for personalized comfort, and a built-in alternator that extends ride times by minimizing the need for frequent charging. Additionally, it features a unique capability to transform into a surfboard within minutes, catering to a wide range of water sport enthusiasts. The Jet Surf Titanium DFI ski is crafted for thrill seekers who desire a perfect combination of agility, power, and convenience in their watercraft.